In this tutorial, you will learn everything you need to know about labeling UTXOs and using coin control to avoid paying unnecessary fees and improve your on-chain privacy. Labeling is a technique that involves associating an annotation or label with a specific UTXO within a Bitcoin wallet. These annotations are stored locally by the wallet software and are never transmitted over the Bitcoin network. Labeling is thus a tool for personal management. It allows one to remember the origin or intended destination of the UTXO. Labeling becomes even more relevant when combined with the coin control functionality. Coin control is an option available in good Bitcoin wallets, which gives the user the ability to manually choose which specific UTXOs will be used as inputs when creating a transaction. Using a wallet with coin control, coupled with UTXO labeling, allows users to precisely distinguish and select UTXOs for their transactions, thus avoiding merging UTXOs from different sources. This practice reduces the risks associated with the common input ownership heuristic, which suggests that if multiple inputs are used in a single transaction, they are likely owned by the same entity. This can compromise the user's privacy by making it easier for observers to link and trace transactions back to a single user. Additionally, coin control helps in managing transaction fees. By carefully selecting UTXOs, you can avoid using multiple small UTXOs, which increase the size of the transaction and hence the fee. For example, if I receive a UTXO from a sale I made at a P2P Bitcoin market, I could assign it the label P2P Market Sale 1. If I want to avoid combining it with a UTXO received from a KYC service provider, I can place distinct labels on each UTXO. This way, I will be able to easily identify which UTXO to use as input for a transaction. So, how to label and select your coins on the Bull Bitcoin wallet. Once you receive a transaction, click on it and add the source of the payment in the label section. To select this UTXO when sending a transaction, press on Advanced Options, then Select Coins manually. You can now pick the UTXO you want and send the transaction. You can also temporarily freeze specific UTXOs from transactions you have received to ensure they are never used by the wallet's coin selection algorithm. This is a great way to protect yourself from being spied on by a person or company that sent you Bitcoin. Implementing a systematic labeling approach ensures you maintain a clear and organized wallet, ultimately leading to more secure, private, and cost-effective transactions.